my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a little haul for my cats. If you're wondering why I'm in the same clothes as another video, I'm recording them in the same day, that's why. But yes, stay tuned for my... Okay, so guys, all of this came from Walmart. So I have here a mat for her bows because she likes to make a mess all over my floor. You see this picture? This is what my floors look like. We have a brush here to demat her, and it's like a little bristles, metal bristles. We have this scratch knot spray because she likes to scratch on things she's not supposed to. This odor control fresh scent litter. This is the one that clumps as they use it, so you could just scoop it like that, and it's 20 pounds. We have here this little toy for her, and it has like the little balls they can hit. It's a ball here, and it's also a tent, like a little, looks like this, like a little tent. We have this little cute collar. She has one, but I thought this one was cute, so I couldn't leave it. Then we have her some grain-free food, her hairball treats, and these dental treats. And that is all. This is a quick one as well, but that is all for this video for my cat. And as always, I thank you guys for supporting me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys enjoyed about this video and what you want to see next. And share with your friends and family and let them know Lady Blissel is what's up. Thank you guys.